Hi there, and welcome to this tutorial on how to use the degree days calculator on degreedays.io. In this tutorial we're going to look at how to use all the features of the calculator and what each one actually does, so let's jump right in. Now as you can see, this page has 4 inputs, one for the postcode, heating base temperature, cooling base temperature, and the date range to get data for. Now the postcode, it takes in the location that you want to get weather data for that we'll then use in the degree day calculations. The heating base temperature takes in a decimal, which will then be used to compare against the outside air temperature for each day in the date range. Much like the heating base temperature, the cooling base temperature does take in a decimal as well, and that will be used to compare against the outside air temperature. The date range is the range you want to get data for. Now, by default, this is the full range, which was the 1st of January 2015 till yesterday, but you can select from the last full year, the year so far, current month, last 6 months, or of course your own custom values. So for this example, we're going to use the last full year. Now as I said, you need to input a postcode to get weather data. So for this example, we'll use Oxford University, which is OX1. Now to submit your request, just hit Get My Degree Days. Now as you can see, that's brought in a high overview chart which shows you the total degree day value for each day in the date range, which is the 1st of January 2018 to the 31st of December 2018. Now by default, only heating degree day values are shown, but by clicking this button you can see the cooling degree day values as well. Now this dataset is quite large and it is very difficult to identify a single day, but by dragging our cursor over the chart like this, you can zoom into certain sections. Now each point shows you the overall heating degree day value or cooling degree day value for each day in the date range. But it'd be more useful if we could see the hourly breakdown. So if we click on a point here, we can see that that's brought in the hourly heating degree day value for that day, and it's comparing it against the degree day averages for the data set, as well as the coldest and warmest day. If you want to see how these values are calculated, you click on the How is this calculated button. This shows you a textual description, a chart, and a table which all explain how the degree day values have been calculated. The chart shows the outside air temperature versus the base temperature and how the degree day values grow and shrink depending on how the outside air temperature fluctuates. The table shows the hourly values for each hour in that day, and it can also be exported, but we'll be covering exporting data momentarily. Down the bottom here you can see each day of the dataset logged in a table with the heating value and the cooling value along with the base temperatures that were calculated at. Now this goes right down to the end of the dataset, so as you can see if we scroll down, you see that goes to the 30th of December 2018. If you want to export the data, you click on the Export Data button and enter a file name. So for this example, we'll enter Daily Export. Now as you can see, that CSV has been automatically downloaded. Now the functionality is very similar for a day. So if we go into that again and click Export Data to Excel and change that to Hourly Export, we can see that's also automatically downloaded that CSV. Now the last feature of the Degree Days calculator is the Help section. Now to access the Help section, click on the blue question mark at the top of the page like so. This will show you a list of frequently asked questions and known issues and how to solve them, as well as short tutorial videos on how to use each feature of the application. Now that's all the features of the Degree Days calculator. I hope you found this video useful, and leave a like if you think we are doing the right thing. Now the blog post that is associated with this video can also be found on AllanderAnalytics.co.uk, and if you want to view more videos like this, just visit the Allander Analytics YouTube channel. Thank you for listening.